Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a collaboration with Beebeecraft. I love working with them. They have the most amazing products, and it's always so hard to pick all of the terrific things from their site because there's so many cute choices, and I'm excited to share them with you, and then the creations that I make with them as well. So let's get started. The very first thing that is easy to identify that I see here are these bumblebees. These are super cute. I don't know, I have a bit of an obsession with bumblebees and gnomes lately. And I have a cute project in mind with these, and they are several different sizes. You can see there's like a small, medium, large, little sizes there. Different colors too. So these are really cute. Actually, maybe there's just a small and a large. I don't know if there's any specific medium sizes. They all seem to be about the same. Anyways, those are cute, and you get like an endless supply. Look, I think this is a lifetime supply of them. I don't know why I'll need that many, but I like it because I won't be afraid to use them. One of the things that I do when I get products that I really, really love is I kind of want to hoard them. So this is nice. I don't have to worry about saving them because I have an ample supply. And then these are gorgeous. I love these, and I thought that they would be great for making dangles. So the faceted look just gives them such a nice sparkle that I'm super excited to work with those. So those are some cute hearts. The links will be down below for all the products that are here. That way, if you're interested in getting anything that I have displayed here, you'll know where to find them. And I also have a coupon code that will be linked there as well. It's on the show notes of this video. So these are to create dangles, and I really liked that they're already pre-cut. They have a little bit bigger of a chain on there, and then they already have a really pretty dangle at the end. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different gold chains and designs. I find that when the chains are pre-set like that, I create with them more. I could just buy a long bunch of chains. Oh, I got 2 of these. That's good. I guess I must have ordered 20 and they came in 2 separate packages. Anyways, when I get them pre-made like this, I'm much more apt to pick it up and create a cute little dangle with it. And what is in here? Oh, another package. So maybe I ordered 2 sets of them. And I thought that this was a little amount when I first saw them, and they seem to have come in different packages here, but it's all the same faceted hearts. And then this is the only die that I ordered this time, and let's see if I can show you here. It is a little lantern, and I really think that this would be a great die to create a shaker ornament or embellishment that could be decorated for any occasion. Christmas, Halloween, Easter. Like, I could really see doing a whole bunch of different cute things with it. And it also comes with a lot of camping dies as well, like this trailer, this tent, little banner and clouds. So I'm going to create something with that, but I'm not going to create a camping themed. I am going to create something for fall, I believe. And I think I'm going to use those bumblebees. It's kind of my thinking of ordering those 2 things this last time. And last but not least, another exciting bumblebee purchase. These are so valuable to us, and it's kind of heartbreaking to see them disappearing they play such a valuable role in pollinating all of our flowers and ensuring food supply. So I really appreciate the work that bees do. And here is the set of bee charms. So we have some honeycomb, and then we have 4 different colors of bees. So we have the traditional yellow and black, and let's see how this compares to the yellow. So it's a little bit different color of the yellows that are here. So it kind of matches that with that one more than that one. This one's like a more orangey yellow, less contrasting there. And then, I mean, I could easily pair it with the black and white ones, like that. So those would look cute together. And then these ones have beautiful sparkles in the wings, like that. Keep those separate. So these look the same, but they're different actually. One is red and white and one is pink and white. When I was first looking at them online, I saw that it said 4 different colors and it looked like only 3 different colors, but it's because of this red and white versus this pink and white. And if you know me, I like the pink. Pink's one of my favorite colors. So that is everything. I'm excited to get working with these and to come up with some fun dangles and dies. Thank you so much for watching. Again, the links are down below with a coupon code, and we will see you again next time.